Welcome to Perth in a bit of a heat wave. It's just after 11 o'clock in the morning and it's already just hit 40 degrees. So we've got a bit of an issue out here. Things are not looking good. I better get some moisture back into some of these plants. Also have a bit of a look at the greenhouse and taking care of that a little bit. So I watered last night and as you can see everything's starting to wilt a little bit already. So we'd better just top up these pots. But I have a small problem. My metal hose thing here, I can't touch it, it's too hot. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Get some water flowing through it and it might cool down. Ah, maybe not. Well, what do? You can't water because, even the green hose I can't hold. I think I'll go and dip that in some water to cool it down a bit. Be right back. I've cooled it down a little bit so we can actually get to water things. I've just temporarily sat the hose link reel on the ground because my Holman broke yet again. The hose got rather hot and it just melted off the attachment. So it's just going to sit there till I can get a chance to mount it on the wall. But we will use a hose link one. Hopefully it's better. And there we go. Nice flow on it. But as usual, the Holman one just popped off. Let's get these rehydrated a little bit. They're looking a little bit seedy. As we can see, everything's dried out. Luckily not wilting just yet. But we need to get some moisture on there, don't we? Alright, let's do that. My pawpaws that I'm growing from seed look a little bit pale. I think I'll get some fish emulsion onto those or some seaweed. Let's have a look what we've got. So here we have a little bit of fish emulsion and a little bit of standard soluble fertilizer. We'll just pour that around, give these a bit of a boost in the hot weather. These are in direct sunlight. I certainly wouldn't be using a fertilizer, not in this weather anyway, but they're pretty much shaded. I'll get it on the natives. The seed raising mix I use doesn't have a lot of nutrients in it, so once things have actually germinated you need to keep topping it up with something for them to grow with. I'm going to go back inside. As I said, it's 40 degrees out there, probably a couple of degrees hotter in here. Let's hope a few things live anyway. Stay cool, man. I'll catch you in the garden.